Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And today I am giving you guys a daily crypto news update, but specifically focusing on Shiba Inu. If you hold Shiba, or you're excited about it, or even if you hate it, make sure you press that like button to help the channel out a little bit. And guys, I am so freaking excited to share this news for you guys today, as the price just hit 66 parts of a cent. It's mind-boggling. Let's put it at that. It is mind-boggling the way that Shiba Inu is performing right now. I cannot even comprehend the way that it's moving because the volume is even bigger. It's higher than that of Bitcoin. Are you guys understanding that? The volume of an altcoin, Shiba Inu at that, is higher than the volume of Bitcoin. This is insane stuff. It's insane, insane, insane. But there's been a couple of pieces of speculation. Some have said that this is happening because of some new people joining the space. Some say it's because of Robinhood. Some say it's because of this or that or this or that. Let me tell you guys this. There is a huge amount of FOMO right now. People are buying in like crazy because they expect a lot of things and because they fear that they're going to miss out on Shiba Inu really going to ascent. What it's driven by, we'll cover today, but again, we gotta do a couple of steps back to address how spectacular the rise of Shiba Inu is, specifically in this current market phase. So, as you all know, Bitcoin is in a bull market. We just hit an all-time high, I think, about last week or so. And this week, we again reclaimed the $63,000 level. We've been trying. Today, however, was a really bad day with the crypto market shoving about 6% down on most of these coins. It went about 6%. ADA, Solana, and XRP 7 and 8%. You guys get it, right? Except for Shiba, which went up about 50% or so throughout the day. And that's actually where things get rather interesting. A coin like Shiba Inu is an altcoin, which is not in the top 5, not in the top of the top, at least it wasn't before. So usually a coin of that placement, it moves alongside Bitcoin, but because of the FOMO nature in it, it should go down and crash really hard the moment that Bitcoin starts to look a little bit fearful. However, the pump in Shiba Inu shows me two things. One, Bitcoin is going to rebound like crazy, and so I should buy. I should buy every single altcoin, every piece of crypto that I can, because it's going to rebound like crazy. I'm 99.9% sure of it. But also the fact that Shiba Inu has quite a lot more going for it, for the fact, once more, that it's even more liquid right now than Bitcoin. But more importantly, that the amount of gains that it can get right now, in fact, where Bitcoin is going down, it's not something you see very often. It's not something that happens too often. Then again, point number 2 is actually that Shiba Inu already overtook Doge. Who could have guessed that, huh? If you told me this a week ago, I'd have been like, you know what, I know it's going to happen. It might take a couple of months. It happened in like a couple of days. Shiba Inu is one of the best performers we have seen in so ridiculously long. This type of movement is not something you see very often. This is insane. 130% on the week, 830% of the month, 1,000% on the quarter, and I guess nothing over the year because I don't believe it's actually even I'm not sure. I don't think it's even a year old, is it? I don't think so. But Shiba Inu has been a freaking journey, man. I'm still pretty happy that I hold a lot of it. And then again, I think our last call to buy Shiba was at about 25 parts of a cent or so. Right now it's 66. Then again, right now I cannot recommend nor recommend against buying or selling. Cannot tell you guys anything, even though none of this stuff is financial advice anyway. Sometimes I have recommendation for what I would tell my friends, and I tell you guys as well. It can be wrong, it can be right. We know in hindsight, But right now I cannot tell you anything because even though I have the coin already, I'm not buying extra right now. It's already gone up 50%. I'm not doing that. Then again, from a logic perspective, there's always the Robinhood listing that's lurking. And this article, for example, it shows a couple of those parts. Jason Derulo now came into play. Again, we have the Robinhood listing, which some people are fudding a little bit. It's being said that the earnings call from Robinhood set the record straight about Shiba Inu. Wrong, completely wrong. It's just not true. I watched the entire earnings call, and there was only basically said that they didn't list any coins. It's not, oh, we're not listing Shiba Inu or something along those lines, or, oh, we are going to list it right now. No, they showed interest in the market. Everybody knows that. They didn't list any coins for a very long time, and most likely because they are, eventually out for money. They're being safe about it, but they're out for money. They're going to list it. It's just 99.9% sure in that regard as well. It's going to happen. Right now, Shiba Inu is the most traded cryptocurrency in the entire world, which is already mind-boggling. But an exchange like Robinhood, which is huge on Doge, is not going to let go of this one. They're just not. It's going to get listed on there eventually, and the gains are going to be interesting. Then again, it depends a little bit on the time scheme, because right now people are buying in like crazy, also partially because of the Robinhood FOMO. And the moment that it actually gets listed, it could be that the price is going to go pump and dump rather instantly, because what is the next big thing to watch out for with Shiba? Is it going to be another very famous influencer like Jason Derulo holding it? Not too sure about that. Is it going to be another part of the Shiba Inu DeFi realm? Which again is actually pretty active already. The Shiba Inu DeFi realm was actually pretty interesting. I'm not sure if that's going to make it pump, or what is it then? Is it because there's a journey to 1 cent? Yeah, but what exactly is going to take it to 1 cent? People need to have some sort of incentive and some sort of hope. Robinhood right now is the biggest hope for people because the Coinbase listing is already over. And if you know exactly what's going to pump Shiba Inu to the freaking moon, let me know in the comment section down below. I've actually been looking at the freaking trade here for a long time as well. Unfortunately, I don't have any long position open on Shiba, but look at that price movement, huh? Look at that. It is insane the way that this is moving right now. It is, ever since it got listed on Bybit, it's just been going up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And by the way, guys, join my team down below for Bybit. Right now, you can get yourselves 3.5% deposit bonus, which basically means if you deposit money, you're going to get 3.5% extra for free, which is actually huge if you think about it, guys. But also, every single person who deposits money right now, the first, I think like 80, 70, maybe people more, because there's a maximum 100. For only people who use my link, will get $25 for free. Or officially, you get 10 bit as soon as you trade once. You get 10 bit. And 1 bit right now is $2.25, so it's about $22.5 that you get for free. But I think the value of bit can also go up greatly. So I would say, check it out. A link is down below. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything at all. Check it out. A link is down below for that. In terms of what are we doing with the trading? Am I going to trade it? What am I thinking? No, unfortunately, I cannot open a long position right now as it's too scary. However, for any person who has opened a long position over on Bybit for Shiba, let me know in the comment section down below how it's going. Right? If you're trading Shiba right now, let me know how it's going. I bought a lot of Shiba on the spot market, which basically means I bought, thousands of dollars worth of Shiba just like that. I have the Shib. Then again, don't forget, I actually was a very early investor into Shiba, so it's made me a very good amount of money. But I'm not actually selling it just quite yet. Should I? Should I sell it? Nah, I'm not going to sell it, right? That's, I guess, the most fun part about crypto, though. When should I be happy with the gains that I've gotten? Let's say you turned $100 into $20,000, Should you sell? Should you be done? Or are you going to stick with it till the end? SafeMoon is a good example of why you don't hold till the bitter end. Then again, Shiba Inu is a good example of why you sometimes should. It's interesting. It's a predicament, but it's interesting. Then again, having said that, hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. There's a lot of crazy other videos coming about the crypto market, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video, so make sure you press that like button.